Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. This is Social Nerd, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log in and register to the online banking of HSBC. So let's get started and see how that can be done. To begin with, you will need to download the HSBC mobile banking app from the Play Store or App Store. As you can see, I have already downloaded the app. Once downloaded, open the app. Then you can go through the end user license agreement and tap on I accept. Now you can select your country or region. After that, you can go through the terms of use and tap on accept. Then we shall see this home page. Now to log in to the online banking of HSBC, tap on the login option. After that, all you have to do is enter your username, then tap on continue, then enter your password, and after entering your username and password, tap on the continue. Then you'll be finally logged in to the online banking of HSBC. If you have not registered yet, tap on the not registered option. Now you can scroll down to the bottom and tap on register now. You can go through the terms and conditions, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the box at the front of I have read and accept the terms and conditions option and tap on continue. Now you can select an identity verification method and confirm your contact details. To do that, simply tap on the verification method. Here you can choose among mobile banking number, credit card number, ATM or debit card number, and credit card with SMS OTP, that is credit card only. For now, I'll go with credit card number. All you have to do is enter your credit card number, your PIN number, and tap on continue. Then follow the further instructions to successfully enroll or register to the online banking of HSBC. So that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If it was, please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Social Nerd. We'll be back with more such videos, and I'll see you soon.